What's up, Moto Talk? I got my hands on a Fly Formula S helmet. You may have seen the video that I produced on this earlier last week. This helmet is super cool, super exciting, and I actually got to handle one of these yesterday. Check it out. Right here in the top, there's a cool little spot to store the manual, some extra visor screws, and a cable. I'm going to flip that open, and just like all the formulas, it comes with a pretty sweet looking helmet bag here. Let's pull this out. All right, let's take a look. Oh man, this thing looks so sweet. So this is just a normal Fly Formula helmet, the Rheon Tech, all the features, all the vents, except it's got the Fly Smart Tech added to it. This thing just looks stunning. I mean, you can see the reflection in that thing. I like the little bit of blue highlight. All right, so let's take the helmet, let's give it a shake. And that's actually what turns this thing on. It's pretty cool. You can see the blue light activated there. And of course, this thing comes with an extra visor as well. Now, this helmet's really cool. The app is really cool. I got to play with the Fly Smart app, and the things you can do with this thing are exciting. I'm going to tell you about those in another video.